The SOTAONE S400 HD camera drone is a compact and foldable drone perfectly fitting in your palm, making it easy to carry and practice with anywhere. Equipped with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera, it captures stunning pictures and provides a live video transmission, allowing you to enjoy the landscape from a unique aerial perspective. It comes with a variety of fun features like 3D flips in 4 directions, high-speed rotation, and circle flight, making it an exciting toy or gift for kids and adults alike. With safety in mind, the drone is designed with full protective guards to prevent collisions and injuries, ensuring durability. The drone offers a stable flight experience with its altitude hold feature, headless mode, and one-key start land button, making it user-friendly for beginners with 3 speed levels to cater to different skill levels. It also provides premium features like voice control, gravity sensor control, VR support, and custom flight path through the smart app control, adding an extra layer of fun to your flying experience.